Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 30, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On January 30, 2024, our system identified Apple as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.82. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently experiencing a steady upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the last 3 months, there is a projected 3.98% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging from 1.31% to 11.65%. Looking at the longer-term trend of the past 12 months, there is a predicted 22.26% change in the stock's value over the next year. This could result in a return ranging from 14.65% to 31.69%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $215.59 to $247.63 after 1 year. Our latest update on Apple brings some important news. The evaluation of Apple stock has been downgraded after the last trading session. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, the Apple stock price experienced a decline of 1.92%, dropping from $191.73 to $188.04. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.31%, ranging from a low of $187.47 to a high of $191.80. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 2.4% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume increased by 8 million shares on the last day, but the prices continued to decrease. This might indicate a potential risk that could slightly increase in the upcoming days. In total, approximately 55 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to $10.38 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Apple stock was $199.62, while the lowest price was $141.32. Currently, the price is 5.8% or $11.58 below the 52-week high. Additionally, it stands 17.62% or $40.22 below the all-time high, which was achieved on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Welcome to today's video on analyst ratings. Let's dive into some recent ratings for Apple's stock. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded Apple with a buy grade. Interestingly, on the same day, Bank of America Securities also upgraded Apple but gave it a negative grade. Let's go back to Tuesday, January 9, 2024, when Bank of America Securities rated Apple as neutral with a hold action. Finally, on Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Apple stock has received a general rating of strong buy. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio are both rated as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating. Here are the latest signals for Apple. We've observed a buy signal emerging from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 5, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by 3.79%. Based on this, it seems like there's potential for further growth until a new top pivot is identified. Additionally, there's a buy signal coming from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals, which could impact the stock's short-term progress. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a more negative forecast for Apple, indicating sell signals. If the stock corrects upwards, it may encounter resistance at the price levels of $192.85 and $190.95. Nonetheless, if it surpasses these levels, it will trigger buy signals. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell, which could serve as an early warning sign. It's advisable to closely monitor the stock's performance. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal observed 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal detected 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal identified 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal noticed 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. Short moving average, sell signal observed 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal detected 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 46 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple currently has support from accumulated volume at $185.64. This means that there is a potential buying opportunity when the support level is being tested. We can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. Apple is a stock that is usually traded at a good volume, which means there is active participation from investors. With minor daily changes, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be low. Looking at recent data, the stock moved $4.33, 2.31%, between its high and low within a single day. This indicates relatively stable price movement. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.57%. This means that the stock's price has been fluctuating within a reasonable range. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Apple, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio is within a normal range, which is often observed in well-established businesses with predictable revenues. Moving on to the latest news, the next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.08. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Apple. If the stock is on an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $188.63. For those considering entering a position, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached. If you already own shares, this level could be suitable for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $185.64. Should this support level hold, it might present an opportune entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider buy of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -21.221. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it's important to note that no stop loss has been set for it. Is Apple stock a good buy? The Apple stock currently shows several negative signals. Despite the positive trend, we believe that Apple will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Apple stock is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 31st, we expect Apple to open up $1.06 and start trading at $189.10. Before getting into the content, we want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions involving securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we're going to discuss the current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We genuinely hope you find success in your trading endeavors. Have a fantastic day from all of us here at Stock Invest.